How to find someone on Viber. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can find someone on Viber. First of all, open your Viber application on your device. And once you reach this page here, click on that search icon at the top of the screen. Once you click on it, you will find the search box. You enter the phone number that you're looking for. Once you enter the numbers in the search box, you will find the suggestions below. Viber will show you any matches found for the phone number you entered. If the person is on Viber and has their number visible to others, you will see their profile in the search results. For that, make sure you have saved the phone number in your contact list. Also, keep in mind that not everyone may have their phone number or profile visible to others on Viber due to privacy settings. If the person you are looking for is not on Viber, you may have the option to invite them or join. This will send them an invitation to download and join Viber. So, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next videos. Stay connected.